that's actually what makes you really effective at consulting and advising. So it's I call it longitude and latitude. And our industry is clearly very longitudinal. We go deep, and you have to be an expert in our industry. You know this. Like, you can't not know. Like, you can't just talk up here. You got to know it. And a lot of times we love to call bluff on people that don't know it. But interestingly, on our industry, because we're so conditioned to be deep, that very few people go wide. And so people like yourself, Bryan, that have had the experience of going wide are really the people that add so much value, because you've got to be able to process, especially in today's day and age of innovation, you've got to be able to rapidly process not only the conceptual level of what you're trying to innovate and solve for, the strategy and the concepts, but you've got to really get down into solving for the how. And when you solve for the how, you've got to kind of bring in almost all these verticals at once, like an accordion. You've got to squish them together and say, okay, how am I going to apply that? So to your point, I think going from the insurtech to the corporate, as well as cross-functionally, I would add that as well as a lens. I think that's what many people that don't always succeed immediately in innovation, I would say it's probably not the people, it's probably that core competency or capability of being able to think longitude and latitude kind of almost in parallel. Hi, this is Lisa Wardlaw, and this is The Future of Insurance.